unused bomb-tipped rocket that Boeing will build will be part of America's latest arms package for Ukraine. This weapon will doubling the reach of HIMARS, which has come up with many disadvantages for Russia. The weapon, called the Ground-Launched Small Diameter Bomb, GLSDB, combines two proven devices. He is a GBU-30 small-diameter bomb, GPS-guided and M26 rockets fired from HIMARS and already in service with Ukrainian forces. This new weapon is said to be able to hit the target at distance of 150 kilometers. Many of the M26 rockets previously equipped with cluster munitions have been discontinued by the U.S. Army. Therefore, America has sizable stockpile of unused rockets. In addition, it is very easy to modify the rocket to carry the GBU-39. But those weapons won't be able to be deployed in Ukraine anytime soon. This is because GLSDB has not yet been produced and Ukraine will be the first user country. An American defense industry official said it would take about 9 months for the first deliveries after the Air Force issued the contract. Funding for the precision-guided rocket will come from $1.75 billion in aid in the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative announced Friday, the 3rd of February 2023. At the initial stage, no more than $200 million will be allocated for the weapons. An additional $475 million will be used to draw on existing Department of Defense supplies for Ukraine. They include additional Claymore anti-personnel mines, winter equipment, 155mm S-caliber GPS-guided ammunition, Patriot missile support equipment and Mk-153 shoulder rocket launcher. Items in general drawdown can be provided much more quickly. The GLSDB, which was built with Sweden's Saab, has been tested 3 times since 2015. In those tests, it flew over 130 kilometers and reached target within 102 centimeters of the target. That is roughly double the range of the rockets currently used by Ukraine's HIMARS. Boeing said in a statement that this order would mark the first sale of the weapon. Meanwhile, the GPS-guided 250-pound small-diameter bomb was introduced by the U.S. Air Force in 2006. Of course, the U.S. Air Force released the weapons from their fighter jets. GLSDB is designed in such a way that once launched from HIMARS, the bomb will separate from the rocket while flying. He then spread his miniature wings and fly to a GPS-identified target. The navigation system allows it to be steered around obstacles such as mountains and known anti-air defenses. It's not like artillery traditional path that follows a parabola to its target. The weapon is also equipped with an electronic warfare system to defeat multiple jamming attempts and have programmable explosives. GLSDB can be a middle way because America now still does not want to send the Army tactical missile system requested by Ukraine. The rocket, which is also fired from HIMARS, can reach a distance of up to 300 kilometers. America is worried that these rockets will be used to attack Russian territory in the end will escalate the escalation of war. But with a range of 150 kilometers, the GLSDB will add to the problems for Russia. So far, it has been reported that Russia has started to adapt to HIMARS. And arrival of the new rocket means they have to rearrange their logistics lines. This is because Ukraine often uses its long-range attacks to attack lanes Russian supply. The GLSDB can also reach most of northern Crimea, territory occupied by Russia since 2014. Against that backdrop, the GLSDB will allow Ukrainian troops push Russian troops further behind its lines. Former U.S. Army commander in Europe Ben Hodges said the GLSDB would reduce protection for Russia. He says life will start to get very inconvenient for the Russian Navy, Air Force, and ammunition handlers in Crimea along the land bridge. According to a number of reports, GLSDB has the firepower to destroy various targets including bunkers. According to open-source intelligence analyst Benjamin Pitte, the weapon may be a game-changer for Ukrainian troops. But however, GLSDB can be very vulnerable to Russian air defense systems such as the Pantsir and Tor, which are designed to destroy small air targets. The GLSDB deployment could further advance America's position in the war that has been going on for nearly a year. Russia has been threatening that all-along delivery of long-range missiles will be a red line for NATO and America. It is not yet clear how Russia will respond to the American decision. The United States, U.S., confirmed that the latest batch of arms aid to Ukraine includes ground-launched small bombs diameters, GLSDB, long-range missiles. Washington also left Kiev free to use it at will, including a counterinvasion deep into Russian territory. The Boeing GLSDB consists of a rocket motor mated to aircraft bombs, with an estimated firing range of up to 150 kilometers. Pentagon spokesman Brigadier General Patrick Ryder on Friday announced additional ammunition assistance for HIMARS and precision-guided rockets. According to Ryder, that does include GLSDB. As per information leaked to Reuters, Ryder also emphasized that the U.S. would not prevent Ukraine from using the long-range missile to strike deep into Russian territory. The weapons could be used to attack the Crimea region, which has been under Russian control since 2014. The GLSDB is produced by Boeing in collaboration with Sweden's Saab AB, and combines the GBU-39 small-diameter bomb with the M26 rocket motor. It is not clear how much of the ammunition the Pentagon wants to send, or whether they will come from U.S. military stockpile or need to be produced fresh. Reuters claims to have seen Boeing documents which say the first deliveries could be made as early as spring 2023. GLSDB has a length of about 4 meters and a total weight of 300 kilograms. The warhead is only 2 meters long and weighs 93 kilograms. GLSDB is equipped with a GPS providing navigation guidance and data for bomb launches and capable of achieving a target range of up to 150 kilometers. In addition, this rocket can glide in various weather both day and night.